Are you trying to lower the use of plastics? And do you only want healthy ingredients in your toothpaste? This video might be useful to you then. First of all, let's say goodbye to the old plastic toothbrush and toothpaste. Now that's out of the way and hopefully recycled, you'll need a few things. A biodegradable toothbrush and a repurposed glass jar. When buying the next ingredients, think about recyclability of your packaging. First, you'll need baking soda, also organic virgin coconut oil, and a good quality organic peppermint oil that's suitable for internal use. Start off by adding 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a glass jar of your choice. You might have an empty condiment jar that you could wash and repurpose for this. It's always better to reuse than to go buy new things when you're going zero waste. Then add in 6 tablespoons of organic virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is known to fight off harmful bacteria in your mouth. It can reduce plaque buildup, it can prevent tooth decay and fight gum disease, thus improving oral and dental health. It's also widely used as a natural teeth whitener. Lastly, add in 10 to 20 drops of organic peppermint oil. Make sure to check if this oil is suitable for consumption. Peppermint has been used for centuries to freshen breath and keep teeth and gums clear of infection, due to its major active ingredient menthol, which has powerful antimicrobial properties. A few drops of peppermint oil to a glass of water makes an effective mouthwash as well. Stir and mix all the ingredients to a uniform creamy consistency, and you're done. Congratulations on producing your own zero waste, organic and healthy toothpaste. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. And if you're interested to see more videos on practical activism and my other adventures, make sure to click the subscribe button. Much love until next time. Bye!